Hello guys, from beautiful Kayakoy, Turkey. We just arrived and this is our villa for the next 14 days. The villa was 39 euros per night. It took us some time to get here. We took a train, overnight train from the Sofia to Istanbul, which you can check the video right here. Then we explored the Istanbul for 12 to 13 hours. Then we hopped on another overnight bus, which took us 14 hours to get to Fethiye. And from Fethiye to Kayakoy, we took a small bus, which was 15 minutes. Can you believe this villa was 39 bucks? Let me show you what it has. So right outside, you have the perfectly good grill. You can make yourself some food. Here you have 2 sitting areas. On the other side, you also have 2 sitting areas. So it's on you to choose where you want to sit. Of course, the pool. And you have to remember it's November, late November, and it's 22 degrees here. So. Okay, walking inside, we have this giant living room with a kitchen. You have a flat screen TV right here. That is gigantic. Look at this counter, like, come on. It's triple the size of me. Here we have a perfectly good working kitchen, everything you need, super nice looking. Got a microwave, got an oven, got everything that you need for 14 days. Right here we have a washing machine, and the best part about this is this area right here. You have a big bed with a hot tub right next to it, looking out the pool. And yeah, again you get one more little couch, because apparently you don't have enough sitting area right here. Here we have the fireplace. And here is the shower room. And here we got the toilet as well. So yeah, this all was 39 euros per night. I can't believe it. For right now, we're gonna settle, we're gonna chill a bit, and then we're gonna go in the village center to show you what there is and grab some groceries as well. See you there. Thank you.
Little Turkish delights.
How nice.
For all my fans of Narnia out there, this is quite the experience.
Okay, sorry for the bad looks, but we explored Kayakoy a bit and we settled for this little bistro in the center of the village. It has like old school chairs, like falling apart, but it's still holding, and it gets you to meet the Turkish culture.
Real local experience.
Yeah, there's kasa, register, so it has a word kasa. Okay, so our food arrived. This is the scrambled egg with some Turkish homemade sausage. This is
Shopska salad.
Shopska salata with some homemade feta cheese, I think, and Ellie got
Menemen, which is scrambled eggs, tomato, green pepper, and onion. And Turkish coffee, of course.
And you get some decent portion of bread and everything that you need. Let's enjoy the meal.
Yes.
First bites in. What is the call?
Really good. I can say with my whole heart, authentic Turkish food. Delish.
It's so awesome. It is just what you need after 40 hours of traveling.
44.
44 hours. Okay, so this is the center of Kayakoy village. I don't know if you can call it a center, but it has everything you need. There's a few restaurants there, bar. This is one of 3 markets in this area, I think. I load up Ellie because filming is kind of hard, so you gotta have 2 hands for that. So there's not much to do, and we traveled. We're super tired, so we're just gonna go and chill in our villa.
Yes, well deserved.
Okay, this is something interesting. I've never seen this live. So this is an ostrich. Damn, that looks dangerous.
Yeah.
Oh,
They could peck you to death. Look at how big its eyes are. Oh my god.
you only see this in movies, and you're like, ah, that's not that serious.
Look at its
But then you
toes.
actually see it.
Oh my god, it only has 2 toes.
She's gigantic.
Oh.
And there is more in the back.
Yeah, there's
Damn.
a whole ostrich farm here.
You're a big boy, aren't you?
They look like dinosaurs. Oh my god.
Like, what is you doing, my G? Oh, you look pretty. Oh. I dare you to pet it.
Taller?
I dare you to pet it.
Oh my god, it's probably taller than me.
I dare you.
I'm gonna do a hard pass on that one. I want to keep all my fingers, but wow.
Okay, just came back from the center of the village. We got some groceries. We are all set. We're gonna spend here 2 weeks, so we wanted to have everything in advance so we can just chill and relax. So, see you guys on the exploring day of Turkey. Bye bye.